Hi everyone, IGCC accounting. Today's topic suspense account. There are two type of errors affecting trial balance and errors not affecting trial balance. Today we are going to discuss errors affecting trial balance. The following type of errors will cause the trial balance to disagree. Entering a transaction as two debits or two credits. If we enter a transaction two debits or two credits instead of one debit and one credit. Posting either to the debit or credit of the ledger twice. When we prepare ledger account, the same transaction is entered uh, debit side twice or credit side twice. Entering the wrong figure on one side. If we enter the wrong figure one side, other side is correct. That error is also known as transposition errors. If we enter both sides wrong figure, that is called error of original entry. Error of original entry will not affect the trial balance. In this case, only one side is wrong figure, so it is affecting trial balance. Incorrect totaling of an account. When we total, if it is in the debited side and credit side, if we total, if it is a wrong figure, that will affect the trial balance. Incorrect balancing of account. Usually we balance from which side is the data and that side add first and subtract from which side is shortest side. So if it is not correctly balanced, that will affect the trial balance. Correction made to only one part of the transaction. If a correction entry is made, then we made one side of the transaction or corrected one side, that also will affect the trial balance. Next error is entering an item incorrectly in the trial balance, either the wrong amount or in the wrong side. When we prepare the trial balance, an item is entered wrong side. Okay, instead of debit side, credit side entered. Instead of debit side, credit side is entered. And also sometimes wrong figure is entered into the trial balance. In both cases, trial balance will not be equal. Omitting a transaction completely from the trial balance. Sometimes when we prepare the trial balance, an item will be completely omitted from the trial balance. Sometimes we may forget to enter or any other reason. So next we are going to discuss about the suspense account. This is a temporary account opened in the books of business to show the difference in trial balance when it is disagree. When the errors are found out, the correction is made to the suspense account and it will be automatically cancelled. Suspense account is used only in the case of errors affecting trial balance. So errors not affecting trial balance, we will not prepare suspense account. Only in the case of errors affecting trial balance only. A trial balance is given. This is an example question. Total after all the accounts have been listed 100,000, 99,960. The credit side is shortest and debit side is greater than the credit side. The trial balance is not equal. In that case, we have to open a suspense account. The meaning is there are some mistakes that we have to find out. Assume that the error of $40 is found in the following year on 31st March 2016. The error was that the sales account was undercast by $40. The sales account was undercast with only one error, that is 40 is the difference in trial balance because the sales account was undercast. So sales account should increase it. So usually sales account has credit balance. If it should increase means we have to credit it. So sales account credited 40,000 and debited suspense account, because there is no entry to write on the debit side, because debit side is correct entry only. It had been corrected. Now in that case we have to debit its suspense account. So we have to pass the journal entries in the journal. Suspense account debit, sales account credit. In some time, Cambridge examination, we have to write narratives. In that case, we have to show the narratives also. Correction of undercasting of sales by $40 last year. So we have to show the narration. It is 1 mark only for showing the narrative if it is required. So we have to prepare suspense account. In this case, difference in trial balance. Trial balance difference is 40 is there, and we passed a journal entry. The journal entry sales account is uh, credited with the 40, and the suspense account. This is we have already opened a suspense account. Suspense account is debited. So this side, debit side, we have to write for reference sales 40. So both sides are equal. If it is both sides are equal, debit side and credit side of the suspense account, meaning is all the errors we have found out. If it is not equal, meaning is still some errors we have to be find out.